In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin chats in Claude AI. Pinning, or starring, a chat is a simple way to keep your most important conversations right at your fingertips. It helps you avoid scrolling through a long list whenever you need to jump back into a critical thread, whether it's a project plan, a brainstorming session, or a conversation you reference often. Start by opening Claude in your browser or in the app. That's the space where you'll be working, and everything you need will be visible once Claude loads. Give it a second to fully open so the interface elements appear. Next, go into the specific chat you want to mark. Open the conversation as if you're about to continue it. Focusing on a single chat makes it easier to find the control you need and ensures you're starring the right thread. Now, look for a small star icon near the top of the chat window. Depending on your layout, it may sit near the chat title or alongside the conversation name. It's usually easy to spot in the header area, and it's designed to be a quick one-click action. If you're on a narrower screen, it might appear closer to the title. If your window is wider, it often sits toward the top right. Click the star to mark the conversation as important. When you do, the icon typically changes appearance, often filling in, to show that the chat is now starred. That visual change is your confirmation that the pin has been applied, and you don't need to save anything manually. Once a chat is starred, it will appear in the starred section of your sidebar or chat list. This section collects all your marked conversations in one convenient place, so you can return to them quickly without hunting around. It's especially handy if you juggle multiple topics throughout the day or revisit long-running threads. A quick recap. Open Claude, go into the conversation you want to prioritize, find the star icon near the chat title, click it, and then access that conversation anytime from the starred section in your sidebar or chat list. Keep your starred list focused on the threads you rely on most, so the section stays clean and genuinely useful. And that's all there is to it. With just a click, you can keep key chats front and center and streamline your workflow in Claude. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added speed and organization that starring your chats provides.